Good morning everyone. Wide Open Transit Farm is here again. How are you today? I'm hoping everything is alright. About me, if there is asking, I'm fine too and thank you. I want to share with you guys the one of our tomato fruits that I was harvesting yesterday came from in our garden that I was planting in the spring season 2024 gardening, and I am showing you, or I am explaining a little about this kind of variety of the tomato fruits. The name of these tomato fruits that I was harvesting yesterday, this is called brandywine pink tomatoes. What is brandywine pink tomato fruits? Is considered an American heirloom, or the US will first develop this kind of tomato, and the tomato plant that I was observing after planting, it was growing faster, and the color of the leaves is green, and each branches of the tomato plant, it was growing biggest and tallest. The branches of the tomato plant was spreading around the plant, but there was a tomato cage to support their branches, and the first color of the fruit of the brandywine pink fruit is green, and the fruits, if ready to be harvesting, the color was slowly to change to pinkish red color, and the shape of the fruits is round or look like the shape of an round squash. It's big fruits, and the inside I was cutting because I was showing you the inside of the brandywine pink fruits is fleshy or meaty and juicy. And what are the brandywine pink fruits tomatoes used for? It can be used to slice and toss into salad. It can be used for salsa or as a topping the tacos, and it can be used also for blending into juice. can be used also for slicing on sandwiches and burgers, and it can be used also for cooking our viand in the kitchen as our foods. And the taste of the fruits is sweet and thank you for watching and also the supports. I ask again, please subscribe Wide Open Transit Farm. Don't forget to click the bell all in order you can receive a notification if I will uploading a new video.